So, good morning, everyone. Today, I want to show us how to use this autoresponder. This is the AI that I've been using, that you guys have been requesting for. This AI that I'll be setting up for you after the end of this video. If you're able to follow everything right away, you will be able to. This autoresponder can respond to almost all your questions that will come into your WhatsApp. Any question that will come into your WhatsApp, what your business partners will be asking, or any question at all, because it is asking you the question. It's working with Chatgpt. I hope we know Chatgpt from OpenAI. It will be working with that one. So anything at all that they ask you, the AI is going to use the artificial intelligence and then answer the questions right away. You don't need to set up questions and then the answers. Anything at all, this autoresponder can answer. So let's download the autoresponder. Just go to your Play Store, Apple Store, and search for autoresponder for WhatsApp. And this should be the logo you should be seeing. This should be the logo. So after installing it, let's just go into the app straight. You have to turn on this button. That button shows that the app is working. If you open it the first time, it will even pop up for you to allow those things. They'll be requesting for some permissions, and I believe WhatsApp, a businessman, I believe this thing we can read some of them. You can just read and then follow the instructions and go away. After that, after you have been done with that, you see there's a blank page. You might not see these messages here because I've set these rules. These are my rules that I've set. So after you have also opened it, and all right, let's click on. We can just I took some screens. So we have to click on what we call the menu bar. This is how you can click on the menu bar. The menu bar is here. This is the menu bar. This is the menu bar. The three dots at the right hand side top corner. I mean the left hand side of you. So that's the right side of the phone. So the left side of you, the person watching this video, the corner. If you click on the menu bar, something like this will pop up. We move to docs. We'll click on docs here. We click on docs under autoresponder.ai. If we click on that, it will take us to our browser. So okay, when your browser open, this will be the home page, or the page that the autoresponder is going to take you to, and that is OpenAI. You will see something like Chatgpt and all that. There are a lot of things below, but we just want the first one. We want to set our WhatsApp connected with Chatgpt, so it will be working like how Chatgpt is working. So just click on that one. Thank you. Here you make sure you read these instructions. Read them because they might be useful. Those of you who will be struggling to set it up, these things will be useful. Here they are saying that follow these instructions to set up your Chatgpt and autoresponder. And the first step is to download the app. We have already done with the first step. So the second step that we'll go, the step 2. This step we are going here. They're saying that we should create an account in OpenAI Chatgpt. So if you have been using OpenAI, you have accounts, so you will not have to do that. But if you are new, and I know most of us are new, so I just want to open it and show us the way out. Just open it like this and then click on sign up. If you are an old member, you can just click on log in if you already have account, but we want to sign up. I just want to show us how to sign up because we are all beginners. You click on that button and then wait small. Let's wait as it loads. This one will depend on your internet connection speed. Thank you. Here you can enter your email address. You can decide to enter your email address to create the account. But if you think those things, or you are somebody like me who don't always like remembering things, just click on continue with Google. If you also have a Microsoft account, those of you who are using your computers and you have Microsoft account, you can just choose continue with Microsoft account. So here I will just click on continue with Google, and then no, I wouldn't do that again. I already have it, so I'll just go back. After clicking on that one, you just have to go back. You just get the account, so I'll just go back. I don't want my Google account to pop up. So that is the first step. After that, you go back. So you go back to this place again where they are giving you the instructions. The second one, they say get your API key. There's some API key that you get from the OpenAI website. So if you come back here, you click on here. You click on this button so that it will take you to the page that you get the API key. Thank you. If you are taken to that place, you just click on create a new secret key. You click on that one, the key will come. Okay, when the key come like this, you click on this button to copy it and then click OK. So after copying this one, let me copy everything and do it one by one for everyone to see. You can see that it pop up that it has been copied. After that, we'll go back again and then we'll go to the step 4. So step 4 is where we have to go back to the autoresponder app, the place we are going to create a rule. The autoresponder works with a rule, and this is the steps that they are still showing here. So that's why I was saying, if you read the articles here, you will not even suffer again. You just have to just go and do everything simple. So the rules, let's read their rules. The first step, if you click on rule, and they're saying that receiving message, a message that this autoresponder should reply to. What message? At first, if you were to use this autoresponder, you have to set, like, maybe you say good morning, and then you come and set a message that the autoresponder should respond to, a message like good morning. But here we are just going to choose all messages. So we'll click on all messages, or you can just input star. After that, you scroll down. Okay, let me take us to the app so that we can see everything with our own eyes. Okay, this is my autoresponder. To create a new rule, you can just click on the plus sign at the left hand side bottom here. Oh, sorry. This is the plus sign. This is the plus sign. We'll click on that one to create a rule. Okay, so this was the button that they were showing us that we should click on all. You can click on all, so just click on that one. If you click on all, you read these things. You can see that star has been shown here. Then we will just scroll down, but they are saying that we should get a premium version. But we want to try it. We are testing the software, so we can just buy the paid one now. But if you want to use it well, later you see the importance of you buying the paid version. We are supposed to come down here and look for connect OpenAI Chatgpt, this button. But you can see that the bottom is in a blur form, meaning if we click on it, we can't open it, or we can't select that one. So that one, those of you who might have paid for the app, or those of you who have the premium version, you will not have a problem. But because we don't have, we will have to watch 180. So we will have to click on here, use for free. I will click on that one and watch an AD for like 10 seconds before we can use it. So to collect these things, you watch the AD. But I won't watch the AD. I have cancelled that one. You can see that this bottom is now clear. It's now very white. You can now select it. So just check this box, choose OK. There are so many things have now been shown. This was the checkbox that we just checked it. So after that, you can see that they are requesting, they say API key in this bottom. They want us to enter the API key in this bottom. The API key, they want us to paste it there. So if you don't know how to paste text, just click inside that box and hold it. You can just see something like paste, a bottom showing up that paste. So you paste it, you paste the key here, you paste the key, and then if the person asks for a question that violates OpenAI policy, what should be the response? You can set your own response. You can leave this one too. After that, you scroll down, you go and choose individuals or groups. If you want the autoresponder to be managing groups, you choose groups. If you want it to be managing individuals, you choose. If you want both, that will be okay. Then you read these things, any of them that you want to set it up. But for here, I don't see them to be necessary again, so I won't do anything again. I'll just click on this sign here to continue to set the rule. Okay, so after setting the rule, something will pop up like this. It is not usual. It can pop up, it might not. So you click on the cancel button here to close it. So the rule has been set, and this is that rule. That one is the third rule here. You see that when I open, it was only 2 rules. So that is the third rule. And if you now test your autoresponder, we can test it here with this this sign here. We can test it. So just click on there, and then let's just say hi. Okay, let's wait and see if the autoresponder is working. Set hi. Okay, it has responded, so it is working. It is working. We can go back and test it. If you have a different WhatsApp account, if you have 2 accounts, you can use one. And then I just forgot to even show you something here. In the menu bar, click and then let's choose the WhatsApp that it should be working with. So we'll go to settings, click the menu bar again, and then choose settings here. If you have 2 WhatsApp, if you have one WhatsApp on your phone, you don't have problem. But if you have 2, you choose. If you have 2, you choose any. If your own is JB WhatsApp, if it is business WhatsApp, or if you want any of them to, you can just choose any of them. I just want to use it on my business account. After that, I will go back. Then I will open my WhatsApp, to test something. So let me close this rule. Let me turn this rule off. I want to turn it off. Okay, those that are turned off, it will always be red, and those that are working will be the green one. So I want to open my WhatsApp, my normal WhatsApp, and then use that one to test my business WhatsApp. This is my business WhatsApp account. So let me send hi and see what will happen. Okay, when I send hi, it has responded. Okay. So what you will notice is that because we are using the free version, any message that this autoresponder will respond, it will always add the watermark. They are what we call them. Yeah, we usually call them watermark to show that it is from them. So you can ask it any question. You can just say, give me history of Africa. So give me history of Africa. Anything at all, anything, even assignment. If you have your assignments, you have any question. Okay, they are giving a website that we can find the history. So we can just let it type the history itself. For us, we just ask the question anyhow. There's no rule or there's no method you should ask the question. Just ask it anyhow. Even it doesn't mind grammatical error or something. If only the AI is able to understand what you are saying. And you must take note that this thing is still learning from us. That's why they said artificial intelligence, AI. So it is learning from what we are doing. So it is still learning some of the things it will not understand. So you take note, that will be the shortcomings of this app. So that is all I have for you today. In our next videos, I'll be showing you other great things. But remember to subscribe to my channel so that anything I always bring on board, you'll be able to get them. Thank you for watching and have a good day.